Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to uninstall Windows 11 update. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to uninstall your Windows 11 update, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In left section you can see here Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. Come to the right section, you can see here under more options you will find Update History. Just click on that. Under Related Setting you will find Uninstall Update. Just click on Uninstall Update. Guys, here you will find your recently updated Windows 11. If you want to uninstall, you can see here date wise. Whichever you want to uninstall, just right click and click on Uninstall and click on Yes, and it will be removed from here. After that, once you have to restart your PC. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.